after so much Guru Guru, we are finally heading back to Darjeeling and we will stay in Riverwood. Guess what? Darjeeling always welcome with this toy train and this sound. In the next video, I will show you where we are staying at Riverwood. Actually, we are staying in Prudence this time because my mother has knee problem. So after check-in, we just headed to our favorite Caventers. I'm sharing the price of Caventus, that is November 2025. So Caventus is my parents favorite. We love it since 2011. We are having food over here, so we have particular choices. So my father, he's busy in mobile and I was trying to capture the moment again. So that is the egg sandwich, that is my parents choice, and this one is pork sandwich, ham sandwich, that is for me. And it is cold outside, that's why we always prefer to sit inside, not that balcony side. And that is my favorite hot chocolate always. After this evening munching, we went to Mall area. Shadosh Mela is going on, so we enjoyed. I enjoyed a lot this dance performance by local kids and local dance group. So it is really good, and I was enjoying a lot with the local people.
और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होगी हाँ तेरे ही आने से हो रे मेरे कोने में जो दानव छुपा है मोरिया उसे ही जय हो तो दिग्विजय हो तेरी तरह मोरिया लाख कोई धमका हम तेरी राहों पे चलते हम नहीं रुकने वाले
It was almost 7:30 p.m. So it's time to go back to our hotel Revolver, and this is our dinner. So I'm explaining what is that. This one is Thai rice, garlic chicken, and then rice and poached egg salad.
And this one is Nepali Ahuko thali, rice and fry, aloo, sabji, egg, and dal. So salad is there and some chutney. That is the dinner of 11th November 2025 in Revelva.
These two plates are more than enough for three of us. And that is the horse near Astaval. We both have same haircut.